Hey guys, Marty the Gathering Place. How you guys all doing tonight? My local LJS right now, distribution Leo. Um, they're sponsoring a box opening. You'll see in the description. You'll see the site where all these cards will be available and other stuff. So if anything interests you, you guys can buy it there. Just quick announcement. Looking to get 100 subs soon. I'm 78 right now. Hopefully, after this video, I'm gonna be much more closer to what I need. So that saying, let's open this. This is a awesome set. I think one of the best sets lately. A lot of big hits. So let's get cracking. So yeah, go see the site in the description. So we want to go right away. Santic is back. Next pack. Uncommon. Up and heel. Empirical Kamu. Foil. As you can hear, I'm a local store. People in the back playing. Actually, in the side store right now. Commons. Cheer spitter. Not the best. Next pack. Come. The Ritter Disc. Chatterfang. Oh, not too bad. Not too bad. Let's keep track of the mythics. Pack. Chatterfang. Next pack. Commons. Rise and Shine. New foil token. Fetches, elementals are the big hits. Ragavan. Soon Confinement. Oh, Dowdy Void Walker. That's a good hit. Let me know in the comments, guys, what's your big hits you like from this box. Me, it's really the elementals that really I liked. Still trying to collect all of them. If you've seen on the previous video, she got 2 given by me by Big Boss Dave. Chef's Kicks. Endurance and a Solitude. That was pretty awesome to him. Let's see what we have. Oh, Aaron Mesa. That's a good hit. Next. So what you guys hear in the back is people talking French. I am French Canadian. Little cyst. actually on Quebec side tonight. Okay. Resurgent Belief. First roll almost done. Not the best. Well, I don't know. It's gonna maybe get picked up. Chance Encounter and Lunas Critical Lodges. Foil Timeless Dragon token. Hopefully we'll get something good. Commons and commons and commons. Priest of Rights. Weak so far, a little bit weak. Getting a second row. Hopefully everything can spice up a little bit. Steering Grove. Brothers Apprentice. Nope. What we have here is we got a Dragon Rage Chandler. Oh, we hit a Solitude borderless. That's good. That's good. That's a good $90 Canadian. Name I can't pronounce. Yeah, go visit these guys' site. Really awesome people. Karma Guide and Health Monitor. So Fury. Oh, that's really good. That's 2 decent hits so far. Misted Rainforest. Oh, picking up speed, redeeming ourselves. That's good. Imperial Recruiter. Nixon Paragon. Oh, that's a good hit. Urza Saga. This box is turning around, guys. It's turning around. Sorry, guys. Just replacing my piles here. Chartless Agent. Persist. Two elementals so far. That's kind of good. Bloodbraid Marauder. 2 packs left in middle row. So far, the box has turned around a little bit. Gas wheel and Eve printer foil. Last back. Okay, and comments. Oh, Turax red canter. Nice. Last file of the box. Not too bad so far, not too bad so far. Fire nice. Individual betrayal. Oops, sorry about that. Hit the camera. Let's see what we have. Oh, it's a mythic, but it's a piece of crap. Scion of Draco. Square Mob. Glimpse of Tomorrow. Foil. Come on, give me one or two mythics. Sorry about that, guys. We've seen the term. Clue token. Master of Death. Oil. So guys, if you'd like to sub to my channel, leave a comment, that'd be awesome. I want to hit my 100 subs. Unmarked grave. A couple backs left. Murktide Regent, nice. Wonder, Thermo Taxi. 4 packs left. E Furniture, not the best. 3 packs left for the box. I would rate this a decent box. We did get 2 elementals. 2 fetches so far. So Sitis 2. Damn! Last pack. Got Goblin Bombardment, Running Catacomb, boom. Let me tally these. So we got 3 fetches, that's really good. We got Urza's Saga. We got 2 elementals. And other mythics. So, decent box. Not the best, decent. Hope you guys enjoyed. Till we see each other again, guys. Peace. Good night.